Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Mehri from Sri Shivaji Science College Amravati, studying in BSc second year. My topic name is pyrometallurgy and hydrometallurgy. We can see the pyrometallurgy and hydrometallurgy. First we see the pyrometallurgy. The term pyrometallurgy is related to metallurgical process involving the use of heat for the treatment at high temperature includes smelting and roasting. In pyrometallurgy, the basic operation is the direct introduction of e-waste into furnace mixed with a dusser and smelting agent. Involving the use of heat for the treatment at high temperature includes smelting and roasting. What is the smelting? Smelting is the form of extraction of metallurgy to produce a metal from its ore. Smelting uses heat and a chemical reducing agent to decompose the ore and driving off other element and gases or slag and leaving just the metal behind. The reducing agent is commonly a source of carbon such as a coke, charcoal and coal. And there is the roasting is also. Roasting is a process of heating and a sulfide ore to a high temperature in presence of air. It is a step of the processing to certain ores. Then there is in pyrometallurgy the basic operation is the direct introduction of e-waste into a furnace mixed with the dusser and smelting agent. This operation is accompanied with strong gas emission including bond CO2 bond CO coming from oxygen of carbon used as a reducer just of sharp metals and other component greenhouse effect gas like SO2, Cl2, HCl and NOx is the organic volatile compounds. Then we see the hydrometallurgy. Hydrometallurgy is sometimes called leaching. What is the leaching? Leaching is the process. First we understand the leaching, then hydrometallurgy is easy to understand. Then the leaching is the process widely used in extractive metallurgy, whether the ore is treated with the chemicals to convert the valuable metals within into soluble salts while the impurities remain insoluble. This can and then be wasted out of the process to give the pure metal, and the material left over are commonly known as tailing. Then that is the leaching involve the selective dissolution of metal from their waste. It involves the use of aqueous chemical and much lower temperature to separate the metal. Metal is recovered by the electrolysis of this solution. Then we see the hydrometallurgy is the process of extraction and refining that involves the use of water and aqueous solution. It is carried out at moderate temperature and it's generally carried out in three steps. There are these three steps to carry out this process, that is hydrometallurgy. First we see the leaching. We can see about the leaching. Leaching is the process widely used in extraction metallurgy, where the ore is treated with chemical to convert the valuable metals into soluble salts while the impurity remains insoluble. Then the metal ions are extracted from their ore by water, acid or base or salt solution. Redox reaction that carried redox reaction that occurs are often essential. Second one is that purification and concentration. Purification means the impurities are separated either by the absorption on the surface of activated charcoal ion exchange or water evaporation, leaving behind a more concentrated solution. That is the purification and concentration. Third one is that precipitation. The process of electrolysis is often used to precipitate the desired metal ions in an ionic solid to reduce them to their free metals. Thank you so much for watching.